Give your Honda Accord a stylish interior upgrade with our lavishly designed, custom-fit, ultra-flex neoprene seat covers. The innovative design makes installation easy. Known for its elasticity and comfort, these seat covers are precision cut and custom tailored for a perfectly snug fit. They are waterproof, airbag compatible, and impeccably constructed with thick foam padding. The rear split bench seat design allows for the use of all the vehicle's seat controls, including access to the rear center console and cup holders. Plus, the backside of the bucket seats are equipped with handy slip pockets to safely store personal items. And the front features a center armrest console cover for added comfort and appeal. Add to your purchase custom-fit car floor mats and cargo liners, durably built and stylishly made for reliable protection. Personalize your ride in a variety of vibrant shades with the stylish yet practical benefits of your newly installed custom-fit seat covers.